Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clip English, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael. How are you today, Olivia?
I am very happy today, Michael. I had a wonderful morning.
Oh, what made it wonderful?
I woke up early, I had my coffee by the window, the sun was out, very peaceful.
Ah, the sun. I love sunny mornings. But I did not wake up early today.
No? Why not?
The alarm rang. I pressed snooze. Snooze. Do you know this word, everyone? Snooze means you stop the alarm for 5 more minutes, you go back to sleep, 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 5 more minutes, and then you are late. Yes, I was a little late today.
Well, Michael, this is actually our topic today.
Being late?
No, our topic is daily routines.
Routines? What is a routine?
A routine is the things you do every day in the same order. For example, I wake up, I make coffee, I open the window. Every day. That is my morning routine.
Ah, a routine is like a plan, but every day.
Exactly. And everyone has a routine, even if it is a little different each day.
I have a routine. I wake up, I press snooze again. That is a routine. Yes.
But first, before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button. And please subscribe to Clip English. And share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English. Thank you so much.
It helps us a lot. We love our listeners. Okay, let's talk about our day.
Let's start in the morning. After the snooze button, what do you do?
I stretch. Stretch means I extend my arms and legs. Then I drink water before coffee.
Water first?
Yes, hydration is important. Hydration means putting water in your body so you feel fresh.
Okay, after I finally get up, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Good. Remember, we say brush my teeth, not brush the teeth.
Right. Then coffee, strong and black. Then I commute by bus.
Commute means travel from home to work every day. I commute by walking, about 20 minutes. It is light exercise.
Exercise?
Moving your body a little, not the gym, just walking.
My bus sits in traffic, many cars, very slow, but I put on my headphones and listen to music.
Headphones. You wear them on your ears to listen privately. Only you.
Privately, yes. At work, I check emails and make a to-do list.
To-do list?
A list of tasks, things I must do. What about you?
I check emails and plan my schedule, my plan for the day. Then at lunch, I bring food from home. I prepare it the night before.
The night before again. I buy a sandwich, faster.
But bringing lunch is cheaper. Do you eat with colleagues?
Colleagues?
The people you work with.
Sometimes. But at 3 o'clock, my energy goes down. My eyes feel heavy.
The 3 o'clock feeling. Very normal.
I drink coffee number 3.
Or eat a healthy snack, a small amount of food between meals, like an apple or nuts.
Nuts? Peanuts?
Yes, almonds, peanuts, good for your brain.
I will try that. After work, I go home, take off my shoes, and change into comfortable clothes.
Comfortable means soft and easy, not tight.
Yes. Then I sit on the sofa and do nothing for 10 minutes, the best part of my day.
Quiet time is good for your brain. Then dinner?
I make pasta or eggs. Simple.
I chop vegetables. Chop means cut food into small pieces with a knife.
I chop badly.
Practice makes perfect.
Or I order food. Easier.
After dinner, I read for 30 minutes.
I watch a series. 1 episode.
Only one?
Okay, maybe 3. 1 more episode, then 1 more.
Michael. And your phone before bed?
Yes, social media. Just a few minutes.
A few minutes?
Maybe 30 minutes. Maybe 1 hour.
Blue light from your phone tells your brain it is daytime. Do not sleep.
So my brain thinks it's daytime at midnight.
Exactly. Try a bedtime routine. No phone, read a book.
I will try. Tomorrow.
One step at a time.
Okay, review time.
Today, we talked about daily routines.
Morning, wake up, stretch, drink water, commute, coffee.
Work, check emails, schedule, tasks, lunch.
Evening, comfortable clothes, relax, dinner, sleep.
We learned snooze, routine, commute, hydration, headphones, privately, schedule, tasks, colleagues, snack, chop, comfortable, episode, blue light.
And remember, water before coffee.
Thank you so much for listening to Clip English.
Please subscribe and give this episode a like.
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And leave a comment. Are you a morning person or an evening person?
Tell us one thing in your daily routine.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing your English.